If you're a parent, you need to hear this heartwarming story of discovery and perspective. In a bustling city, a wealthy man decided to take his son to the countryside. His goal? To show his son how the poor live, so he'd appreciate their own lavish lifestyle. They spent a few days in a humble village, living with a family that had very little, or so it seemed. On their way back, the father asked, "How was the trip, my son?" The boy, with a gleam in his eye, replied, "It was great, Dad." The father pressed on, "Did you see how the poor live? I wanted you to understand how lucky we are." The son smiled and said, "Dad, I learnt a lot. We have one dog, they have three. We have a pool, they have a river. We have fancy lanterns, they have the stars. We have a small plot of land, they have endless fields. We have servants, they serve each other. We buy our food, they grow theirs. We have walls to protect us, they have friends. We watch TV, they spend time with family." The boy concluded, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." His words left the father speechless. The moral, true wealth isn't about money. It's about love, kindness, compassion, friendships and family. Let's cherish what we have and remember, sometimes it takes a child's perspective to remind us what really matters. Are you wealthy enough?